Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Grape Jam, the most expensive jam in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the original recipe jam, and if you don't have it yet, just get that first from the NPC Massimo before trying this method. And then next, in here, your gardening level must be level 7 because at this level you can start planting and harvesting grapes, because without grapes you won't be able to unlock this recipe. And once you have both the original jam recipe and then some grapes, just go to your stove, tap on it, and then just choose the mixed jam, this one, and then just change the fruits to grapes like this, and then next just simply tap on start cooking like this. Just cook the jam. And okay, that's it. You will successfully unlock the grape jam. Usually there will be special animations when you unlock it for the first time, but in here mine doesn't appear anymore because I already unlocked it before. And okay, that's how you can get the most expensive gem in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!